In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the price of a product in WooCommerce. This is a fundamental skill for those running an online store, especially when you need to stay competitive or offer seasonal promotions to your customers. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and look for the Products section. Click on Products to open a list of all your products. This is where you manage all your items, and it's a good habit to familiarize yourself with these listings, as they give you a quick overview of your stock. Now, all your products are displayed on the screen. Find the specific product whose price you want to change. When you've located it, hover over the product name, and you'll see several options appear beneath it. Click on Edit to open the product's details page. You're now on the product editing page. Here, everything is organized into tabs to make it easier for you to manage the many aspects of your product, such as inventory and shipping. But for adjusting prices, we want to focus on the Product Data box, which you'll find in the center of the screen underneath the product description area. Inside the Product Data box, you'll find various tabs on the left side, like General, Inventory, Shipping, etc. Click on the General tab because this is where the pricing information is stored. Here, you'll see two main fields: Regular Price and Sale Price. The regular price is the standard price you'd like to set for your product. Use this field to enter the new price you have in mind. Remember, thorough market research and competitive analysis are beneficial when setting or adjusting your prices to stay ahead in the market. Below the regular price, you'll see the sale price field. This is optional and is used when you want to offer a discount. You can enter a lower price here, and WooCommerce will automatically apply the sale price for you, highlighting to your customers the savings they are getting. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made to the pricing, double-check everything for accuracy. It's always wise to review before saving, as this ensures that no errors slip through the cracks and that your product prices reflect the correct amounts. The final step is simply hitting the Update button, located on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking Update will save all your changes and make them live on your site immediately. And there you have it. You've just successfully updated the price of a product in WooCommerce. This process is swift and efficient, allowing you to respond quickly to market trends or seasonal sales events. Keep practicing this process, and you'll become more confident and quicker with every adjustment. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.